Hey guys, it's your girl Denise and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I achieve my half up, half down, curly quick weave look, inspired by one of my favorite YouTubers. So I've already washed my hair and blow dried it, and I have sectioned it off. So I've made a part from ear to ear to section it off. So I've already braided 6 braids going straight back in my hair, and you want to get this as flat as possible. Now I'm going to be using my Eco Styling Gel for this style to put my hair up in a bun. I'm going to evenly apply the Eco Styling Gel to my hair so I can get it as smooth as possible. Now I'm going to take my brush and brush my hair up into a ponytail, and I'm going to try to get it as smooth as possible. I'm applying some more Eco Styling Gel just to get it a little more smoother and to my liking. Now I'm going to take 2 strands and twist my hair into a bun and secure it. Now I'm going to be using the Edge Booster Edge Control to help lay down my edges, because gotta have the edges laid. for this style, I'm going to be using a half wig that I found at my local beauty supply store, and I actually cut it down a little shorter to my liking for this particular style. There is a comb on the inside of the wig that I'm going to use for this style. I don't always use the combs, but for this style I'm going to use it to help secure the wig. I'm going to use my wig cap to help protect my hair while under the wig. So I'm going to put the half wig on using the combs that's inside the wig, and this will make sure that the wig will stay into place and will not go anywhere. So I took some of the pieces that I cut off of the wig and I'm going to attach it to my hair to make a full bun. To achieve a fuller bun, I'm going to take some of the hair from the top of the wig and I'm going to combine it with the bun so that it matches the texture of the hair and the bun. So I'm going to use a hair tie to combine the hair from the wig with the hair that I added to my bun as a base to hold it all together. Now I'm going to take the additional pieces and wrap it around and form a bun. Now I'm going to use some bobby pins to make sure that the bun is nice and secure. I'm also going to place a few bobby pins on the sides of the wig just to make sure it's in place and secure and it will not go anywhere. And there you have it, guys. This is the final look. The half up, half down, quick weave style. Very quick and easy to do. Anyone can do this style. I am absolutely loving this style and I'm so happy with how it turned out. I am in love with this style, guys. This was super easy to do. Although there are different ways you can do this style, but this is very quick and easy. Very easy for beginners. You can definitely do this on your own. And I'm just in love. Guys, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell so you can be notified when I post new videos. Comment down below and let me know what other styles you like to see me do. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. Until next time, peace.